Shooting bow pose or Akarna Dhanurasana. The Sanskrit word Akarna Dhanurasana comes in 4 words. A means near, Karna means ear, Dhanu means bow, Asana means pose. The pose is also known as archer pose, bow and arrow pose, bow to ear pose. This pose resembles a bow that aims to release an arrow. The main aim of this pose is to pull the foot near the ear to resemble an archer. Akarna Dhanurasana is an intermediate level yoga pose. Begin in Dandasana with your legs straight in front of your body. Inhale, bring your arms straight out to the front and up over your head, reaching toward the ceiling. Exhale, begin to come forward, hinging at your hips. And lower the hands down towards the feet and yogi toe lock on each sides. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, draw the right thigh close to the chest by bending the knee. Adjust the hips to find balance and press the left leg down into the mat. Take a deep inhalation and as you exhale, lift your right foot with your right hand and take it close to the right ear. The right knee is pointing backwards while the right elbow is pointed backwards and a little upwards towards the ceiling. Keep the spine elongated throughout and breathe freely. If you cannot hold left foot with left hand, you may hold at your shin. The abdominals are engaged strongly so as not to fall back. The hips are grounded and gaze forward. Experience a good stretch in right gluteal and hamstrings muscles. Stay here for 1 minute and breathe deep. Slowly release right leg and bring it down to the floor with exhalation. And inhale, bring your arms straight out to the front and up over your head to reset your spine. Exhale and lower the arms down to the sides of your hips to come back to Dandasana. Repeat the same for the other side. For beginners with tight hips and trying to find balance, both hands can catch the right foot. Exhale, draw the right thigh close towards the body by bending the knee. Place the right heel at the left hand and the right hand holding on the outer edge of the right foot. Inhale, draw the right hip back. Exhale, draw the right foot close towards the right ear. There is better arm strength over here as both hands are holding onto the right foot. Keep back and neck straight and look with forward gaze. This pose is a good preparation for Dvipada Kantharanasana, two-legged shoulder pose. To release, reverse the order of movement.